If you are somebody who applied for the EIDL loan program and you did not get your grant because you did not click the box that says I would like to be considered for an advance up to $10,000, then this video is for you, because I'm gonna be walking you through the steps of what you need to do. But before we start though, if you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, I would encourage you to pause this video and head on over to a video I did recently titled EIDL Grant Deposited in Days: How to Fill Out New EIDL Application Step by Step for free $1,000. In that video, I talked about the EIDL grant application process and how if you are a business owner, a gig worker, if you have a side hustle, or if you're an independent contractor, you could qualify for $1,000 from the government. So once you check out that video, then come back to this video and you can learn more about what I'm talking about today. Back to our topic. First and foremost, I would say if you are somebody who had not opted in for the $10,000 cash advance and you already submitted your application, do not resubmit a new application. You can only submit one application because the SBA computer system will recognize your information and it will throw that second application out. So resubmitting a new application will only overcomplicate the issue. The first thing that you need to do in this case is to call the SBA and tell them immediately that you would like to talk with a Tier 2 representative. I will include the SBA phone number in the description below, but a Tier 2 rep can actually pull up your application and can add notes to your file. So once you connect with a Tier 2 representative, explain the situation to them and tell them that you submitted the EIDL application and you mistakenly did not opt in for the cash advance up to $10,000. And let them know that you do want to opt in. Now, the Tier 2 representative will do either one of two things. The SBA representative may tell you that they're gonna log those notes in your file and they'll get back to you, or the representative may tell you that you need to file an official appeal in a letter of reconsideration on the basis that you did not opt in. Now, regardless of what the Tier 2 representative does, you're gonna go on to the next step of the process, and that is to file an appeal and a letter of reconsideration. There are two ways that you can file an appeal. You can send one either by email or physical mail. I encourage you to do both. I will include both the email address and the physical address that you need to send these letters in the description below. Here is what a letter of reconsideration could look like. In the letter, you want to include your name, your application number, and your contact information. You also want to state the issue in a short and clear way. So try that and good luck.